Darren, thank you for joining us today. We're at the 1-to-1 conference in New York. Tell us a little bit more about the company.
The company's a precious metal producer, mostly silver right now. Two operating assets, one in northern Idaho and one in Mexico, produce about 1.5 million ounces of silver plus some lead and zinc. But the real story of the company is we're building a new gold mine in Nevada called Relief Canyon, and that will add about 7 million ounces of silver equivalent, or about 90,000 ounces of gold per annum per year. And we'll be producing that gold and silver at less than $800 all-in sustaining cost.
And tell us a little bit more about the stage you're actually at about the new gold mine.
So the gold mine will pour gold, we think, between the 2nd and 3rd week in December. So we're about 80% complete on the build. We're on budget or slightly below budget for capital, so that's a great thing as well, because that doesn't always happen in our industry. And the hope is that we'll pour gold in mid-December, which will be the first gold pour. We may get some cufflinks and a few small things out of that, but really commercial production is slated for the end of the first quarter of 2020.
So it's obviously very exciting times for shareholders. What's the key message you're looking to get across at 1-to-1 today?
Yeah, I think the key message is a 5 to 600% growth in precious metals between 2018 and 2020. And so that for us on 82 million shares outstanding is very substantial for our shareholders. We think we'll see huge share price appreciation.
And obviously the next 6 to 12 months, the key time for you that's there, key milestones?
I think it's really getting the mine up into commercial production, getting it sorted out, and then getting some exploration results out of our two silver mines, which are, as you know, silver's been a very poor performer on a price side. So there hasn't been a lot of investment going into the silver mines throughout the whole industry. And so the great news about the gold asset coming on provides about $35 to $40 million of free cash flow next year, allows us to kind of invest in and make those assets a bit better as well.
Obviously, 1-to-1, you've been at a few of them before. What sort of events are they for you? Are they good events for you?
Yeah, I mean, they're great because they're very focused. We got a great list of shareholders that come in, especially in New York and London, where you know them. It's obviously if you're in other places, so you're not normally there visiting in Hong Kong, for at least us anyways, or Cape Town. So we get great investors, and the conference is very well organized, 10 to 5. You're going to be busy the whole time, so it's great.
It's great. Well, Darren, thank you for your time today.
Thanks.